Well, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. I hope you like to share and comment with my video, guys. And press the comment below, guys. They're going, I don't know, they might go to Hugo, I ain't for sure. Or they might just be stopped for the day, and then they'll be ready to do then the other crew will come in. They're going to be doing a crew shift and stuff like that. Well, guys, I'll catch you guys next time on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Road, guys. I'll catch you guys later. Marshing out. Thanks for watching. See you in my next adventure.